Okay, you guys, I am ready for the pool. I went to the mall and bought Sephora stuff, as you can see on the bed, and I ate the Dubai chocolate, and now I want to go to the pool. I wanted to do my nails as one pedicure, but they don't have it, so that's really insane. They said they only have it in the mall, but I don't want to go again to the mall. This is my beautiful view on the Palm with a pool here. Very nice. And this is my whole room. Very nice, very nice. I love the bathroom. I had a bath here yesterday. And yeah, time for the pool. Oh, me again. I need to cover myself a little, so put this outfit like this on. Let's go to the pool. Oh my god, actually I never saw the view from here. This side is super nice. Oh. Super cool, right? I'm sure I can see the Atlantis from the other side too. This is where I'm gonna be going, to this pool. So let's see. But first I wanna see the other side. The other side is quite far, but we're going. My god, you guys, you can see the Atlantis from here. So cool. Outfit for now. This is gonna get off soon. I mean, where will the sun coming? There will not be sun anymore. Am I too late or what?
Sun is going to sleep now.
Oh shit. Is it better this there or no?
Which one sun no?
Okay. Okay, just here is fine. I'm kind of late, guys. This is the pool. I want to order something to eat here. I'm gonna put it on the room, obviously. So I ate, I sat on the pool for a little, and now it's time to go back to my room, and I will change my outfit, go do my nails. And I have no idea what a nail studio is. Also, I don't know what kind of procedure I chose, but I just want to do my nails and my pedicure. Don't know which color it is yet, but we'll see. I am back in my room. I'm so tired though, and it's so cold. Maybe I should put the nail appointment a little bit later. I don't like these pillows. I hate it when they put pillows like that in my bed. Get out of here. I'm freezing. So now I'm just gonna be chilling a little bit in the bed. I maybe have to reschedule the appointment because it's so cold. I am late again. But it doesn't matter because I'm beautiful. Finally, I left the nail studio. I had to wait so long. Oh my gosh, it's not okay. Like for my nails to dry. What the fuck? It's like literally only in Dubai where I have to wait so long for my nails. Like incredible. And now I need to find back the floor from my hotel. I need to go up. I feel like Dubai has their own English. Like everybody here, no matter where they're from, London, the US, I don't know which country they're from, and they start to speak on the same tone of English, like the same dialect of English here. Like Dubai has its own English. I don't know. They all speak on the same accent. No, I don't know. So weird. I keep yawning the whole time. I'm also hungry. Oh my god, what a beautiful day. I'm exhausted. I did a lot actually today. I haven't done my hand nails, my manicure, because I didn't have a spot for me yet. So listen to me in the evening. I have no time in the evening, even though I don't have a plan yet. But I basically don't have time because I know I will be doing something. Don't know what yet. Let's go outside. Like literally, people looking at me like, oh my god. Let's go. Oh my god, it's already dark outside, guys. What the fuck? I didn't even know. Like, why am I even wearing sunglasses? This is fucking crazy. Yeah, there's also a restaurant here. What the fuck? I really thought it was still sunny outside. It's crazy. Anyway, so I'm gonna stay in my sunglasses and I'm gonna smoke my cigarettes. I think it's probably the laundry person. Hi.
Good evening. I'm from the butler service team. I've got express laundry for you. Unfortunately, we couldn't remove all the stains.
Okay.
I mean, maybe just have a look, right?
Okay.
We tried our.
They did this. Literally, he talks to me for 15 minutes about that they couldn't clean my jacket very well, so they're not gonna charge me for it. And I'm like, bro, is that the 15 minutes that you could have just turned into 2 seconds, but 15 minutes to explain me that they couldn't clean my jacket, but they ironed it and washed it anyways. But because it's not fully clean, they will not charge me, so fucking crazy. I just cannot believe that this fucking dry cleaners fucked up my jacket. Like, are you fucking for real? I cannot even go outside with this jacket. Like, I gave it to them cleaner than they gave it to me. Like, honestly, so fucking insane. I'm just getting insane right now. This is gonna be my outfit. I will have to wear this and I'm feeling so fucking annoyed about it. But I don't have any other jackets with me in the suitcase, so I still look hot. And I still look amazing. I can wear whatever I want and still look amazing and fabulous and gorgeous and mesmerizing. Like, everyone is obsessed with me. But no matter what I'm wearing, so